Hello beautiful friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be cutting back petunias and deadheading them. I'm not good at it, so I need to get better at this. I only have about 3 more weeks before these containers are going to get changed out for fall. So we're going to do that today, and then I have another little craft-y project, and I'll explain that more when we get there. Alright, so that was kind of rough. I'm not good at cutting back my annuals, but I think I need to be better at it, so I'm going to use this as an experience for me, and in a couple weeks I'll bring you guys back and see how they're looking. I'm going to go ahead and go through the rest of my petunias and deadhead them, or cut them back, and then I'll bring you and show you what they look like after I get them cut back. Okay guys, this one's going to kill me to have to do because look how full it looks, but you can tell it just needs a little rejuvenation. Normally you want to cut it back about halfway. You want to have a decent amount of greenery still left so it can get the sunlight to boost the flowers to grow. So here we go. Since I cut back my petunias really hard, I want to give them a really nice dose of fertilizer. So I just use Miracle-Gro, and I'll do about a tablespoon per gallon. So I'll put about 3 tablespoons in this bucket. And I just eyeball. Technically, at the minimum, you're supposed to do this once a week. I'm not that great at it. But at least every couple weeks, they get a little sip. Really get it on there. Hi guys, we're back for part 2 of this video, and I came up with this idea that I wanted to paint my shovels. Sounds kind of weird, right? But what I was thinking is I could make like a little area underneath my stairs that when it rains, it doesn't get a ton of rain. And what drives me nuts when I'm gardening is if my shovel and my Falcos, my trimmers are not at hand's reach. If I got to go into the garage, unlock the garage, it's just frustrating. So I want to be able to have these tools close. And so we're going to make a little hanging tool area, and the shovels are going to look pretty. What I thought I would do is use pink and blue, and I'm going to paint some stripes on this shovel. My husband got me these shovels for like a couple bucks at a yard sale for me. And then I would like to try to take these napkins and Mod or spray glue them onto this handle. We're just trying here. I don't know how this is going to work out. So watch me while I paint. Start with the blue. Take this napkin, isn't it beautiful? And we're gonna try, you guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. We're just trying. So I'm gonna use the spray adhesive, Krylon, and we're gonna just stick this onto here. Maybe, if I can get this apart. And then I got this little box here to maybe catch some of the spray. We'll see. The napkin thing was a little bit of a disaster, but I still think it's going to work out. So what I did was I sprayed it with spray adhesive first. And my main problem was my fingers were getting stuck to the napkin. So now that I have it adhered, I'm gonna now take Mod and do a top coat. And you know, this is gonna be outside. I'm not gonna use this shovel. It's gonna purely be for decoration, but I still want it to last. So we'll do the Mod and then we'll do a poly protective coat. Alright guys, so now I want to take this really bright bubblegum pink and spray my shovel head. We'll see. This is where I go wrong, spraying too much. Let it be. Okay. Let that be. Okay, so we got them all ready to go. And I had Steve, my handyman, come out here and hang me some hooks. And then I hung a few nails. So we're just gonna hang everything now, guys. This way, when I come out to garden, I don't have to go search for my shovel and my clippers. Wow, I love it. Do you guys love it? Well, that's it for this video, you guys. It was a very fun one. And remember, it doesn't take a whole lot of money to do something like this. My husband got these shovels, I think for $2 a piece. And I may have like $10 in paint and napkins. So if I can do it, you can do it. And you guys go find your passion today.